My beanie. My signature beanie. All right, hello everybody. Welcome to the stream. My name's Anthony. This is Trader Danger. We're looking at NQ here on the daily chart, and my PD arrays aren't here. That's great. Okay, let's mark out our PD arrays. Remove this one, and then all right. My main focus for today, in terms of PD arrays, we have this volume imbalance that I'm marking out here. We have the high, the low, the high, consequent encroachment, and the low. And then we have this daily swing low here that was recently formed after yesterday's close within the range here. We are in a discount of our daily range, but we're maintaining our bearish bias. Still within previous day's range here. As I'm bearish, I'm not anticipating the upper half of this range to be reached. I'll show you guys my position. Went ahead and shorted, a bit late, but as you can see here, we come up, we trade into this daily volume imbalance, the low, consequent encroachment, and the high. Form a lower high, inverts this gap over here, come back, retrace into it, and now we're selling off. Didn't really get a favorable entry here, but it is running in our direction. As for the 4 hour, we are forming a 4 hour swing high. As you can see, we failed to reach consequent encroachment of this wick here. Traded right up into it and then sold off, forming a 1 hour swing high inside this 1 hour order block. There's a concept that works. We've just taken out this London low here. Looking to pyramid into this. If we can get a retracement back into one of these gaps here. Institutional order flow entry drill. Let's get some Grateful Dead going. Fuck.
Why Top Step? Because traders shouldn't have to risk everything to participate in the markets.
Getting that retracement into these gaps here. 850. Gonna go ahead and sell another one.
I'll tell you how it's gonna be. You're gonna give your love to me. I wanna love you night and day. You know our love will not fade away. You know our love will not fade away. Will not fade away. My love is bigger than a Cadillac. I tried to show you, but you drive me back. Your love for me's got to be real. You're gonna know just how I feel. Love's real, not fade away. Not fade away.
I'm gonna go ahead and mark out our midnight open just to see where we're at in relation to that. Not my favorite trade here because we are below opening price. These are 8:30 open. We're below both. But my basis for this short is this 1 hour SMT confirmation here. As you can see, NQ makes lower high, ES makes a higher high. So my favorable entry here, ES. Nice reaction. So we're below London lows, below Asia lows, below opening price here. So very high risk shorts from here. Low probability of working out. For sure. For sure. It'll be interesting to see if we can work our way back towards current day's high from here. I feel like I need to clean up my chart somehow, guys. It's just too messy. I want the lines of my position gone. There we go. There we go, that's much cleaner. Touch upgrade. Just a little risk disclosure, you know, keep myself safe, guys. What the fuck was I on this day, man? Alright, 15-minute swing high here, printed inside this inversion fair value gap. Again, like I said, we have taken equal lows here. We have taken sell side. Where's my line? We have taken... I don't know if you guys can see me. Okay. Back up. This is back up. Okay. We have taken sell side here. We are below opening price. So we're in very shaky short conditions here. Well, it's dub I got. Gets a little too hot. Alright, we just took that low. institutional order flow entry drill here, working out very well. It'll be interesting to see if we want to, like, when 9:30 hits, shoot right back up. I'm favoring the slowdown here for all the reasons I've given you guys. Actually, let's why don't we do a recap on a new chart here. Let's pull up an MNQ chart that's fresh, clean, and we'll completely recap what we're looking at. Here's our monthly chart. It's 9:05 currently, so we've got about 20 minutes until opening bell. Looks like we already tapped EQ, or consequent encroachment of this wick here. We'll mark that out. Yep, as you can see, little tap of that wick. Rejection from there. We have this monthly swing high here. We come back into the wick here, form what seems to be another swing high,
live on NBC, Sunday, February 8th.
And we have this gap
YouTube
here.
TV. Try it free.
It's kind of the basis for my monthly chart bias here. On our weekly, we can see we're forming another weekly swing high.
I feel like I'm on fire.
We failed to take this one.
I'm freaking out.
How do I...
I pulled into Nazareth, was feeling about half past dead. I just need some place where
You can see here on ES, when this high was forming here on January 26th, January 26th,
where a man might find
we have clean SMT here on the weekly.
he just grinned and shook my
Very bearish for NQ.
was all he said.
And of course we have sell side residing below here. Let's actually mark that out. Put the load on me. Relative equal lows on the weekly, guys. Here's that monthly imbalance here in the weekly. Our ultimate draw for the year, for like the next 3 months. All right, here's our daily chart. As I said yesterday, as I outlined yesterday, we came into this daily fair value gap / relative equal highs with SMT with ES, bearish SMT. Show you guys that again. Here, January 28th. January 28th, we take the high, and we refuse to take it on ES. Okay? I mean on NQ, sorry. Okay. So, you can see yesterday we came back into the suspension block here, traded to consequent encroachment of it, and sold off. Confirming our bias, or further confirming our bias, I should say. This chart looks slightly different than the NQ chart, but that's okay. We have a sell side residing. This is that weekly sell side, also daily sell side. More importantly, on the daily though, we have this swing low here that we're looking to capture. As you can see, that's where my limit order is here. Whoa. Right here. Working out very nicely. Let's actually stay on this daily chart for a little bit. Yeah, MNQ looks slightly different, but that's okay. We'll use this little volume imbalance here instead of this one. So that's the daily volume imbalance low that we're selling off of today, where we created the potential high of day. Let's go to the 4 hour. You can see we're printing a 4 hour swing high right at that level. You can see that this is the 6 a.m. candle. So we have Asia's range comes in, taps the level. We have London range comes down, takes the low of Asia, and then, London range comes up, takes the Asia high, and then comes down and takes the Asia low. Then 6 a.m. and then comes back up. 6 a.m. candle comes up, tries to reach consequent encroachment of this wick, and then immediately sells off, confirming our creation of a 4 hour swing high here. On the 1 hour, we have this 4 hour wick still. We have a 1 hour swing high. We have another 1 hour swing high here.
Granger knows that if you're a maintenance supervisor at a manufacturing facility and your machinery isn't working right, you need to understand what's wrong as soon as possible. So when a conveyor motor falters, Granger offers diagnostic tools like calibration kits and multimeters to help you identify and
Actually,
fix the
are we on the 1
problem.
hour?
With
Yes.
Granger,
Okay.
you can be confident you have
I want to mark
everything
out
you
this
need
fair
to
value
keep
gap
your
here
facility running smoothly.
and see
Call 1-800
how we trade back
click
into it.
Granger.com or just stop by.
And
Granger,
then, of
for
course,
the ones who get it
underneath
done.
opening gap. Very important. See if we can get back into that. We have to account for that as we are below open, below sell side. I'd rather have my chart clean though. Alright, let's go back to the queue. So that's the basis, guys. I hope I made that clear enough. I'm anticipating us trading down here, although we are in low probability conditions here from yesterday's large range, and the fact that where prices today were below the lows, below opening price. We have formed this high with SMT here on the 15-minute and 1 hour charts here. This is the SMT with the S. This is the highs, which is also a 4 hour swing high. So we'll see if this 6 a.m. candle can work its way down a little bit, and then the 10 a.m. candle is most likely what will take us down into this low. That's what I anticipate. We're forming another 15-minute gap here, which would give us another institutional order flow entry drill. We have this gap over here. Let's see how we're reacting to it. Really want to see us manage to close below this gap at some point today. At some point, either this candle or the next 15-minute candle. Let's keep that up there. Yep, you can see here's another institutional order flow entry drill. Don't really want to see us inverse this 5-minute here. That would be quite bullish, as we are below open. We are below sell side. I want to see this 15-minute gap hold. Offer us another institutional order flow entry drill for us to continue down into the south side. Whoa, guys, my voice just sped up. What the? There's our institutional order flow entry drill. Okay. Whoops. Okay, didn't manage to close below this gap. We did disrespect consequent encroachment, which is a good sign. We did form a 15-minute gap. Gonna go ahead and mark that out over here on my chart. Go ahead and pyramid another one in there. We can get into it. Really want to see us get this closed below here, below this level here. See if 930 can really trade us below this low here. But I love you so much.
Like the wind, their eyes fall. This is the wonder of devotion. I see the torch, we all must go. This is the mystery of the culture.
Let's see, guys, let's see. Not really anticipating too much movement before 9:30. Really just don't want to see this 5-minute gap inversed. It's okay if it does though, because we are anticipating another retracement into this gap, but I'd rather see it, just like wick into it. We'll see. Oftentimes we'll see in these situations 9:30 will retrace us back into midnight or 8:30 open. Maybe consequent encroachment of this wick here, 15-minute swing high, our most recent 15-minute swing high. Maybe up into that, and this back into this inversion here, and then we can get our continuation lower. That 9:30 manipulation right here. They trick all traders into going long up into here, and then they smack it lower because the institutions are looking for lower prices. Long I've been home, don't ease me in.
The girl I love, she's sweet and true.
Alright guys, playing out in our favor here. 10 minutes until the opening bell. Didn't really get that retracement here in our closest entry. Really want to see us close below this gap here. This line here. This gap. The next level I would be interested in is this one here. See if we can reach into that. Don't ease me in. I've been all night watching at home. Don't ease me in.
Well, I've been down so goddamn low.
Little consolidation here.
It looks like up to me. Well, I've been down so very damn long that it looks like up to me. Yeah, why don't one of you people come on and set me free? I said, Warden, 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 won't you break the lock and key? I said, Warden, 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 won't you break your lock and key? Yeah, come along here, mister. Come on, let the poor boy be.
Alright. Failing to close below this, forming a 15-minute swing low, coming back into this gap here. Gonna be interesting to see if we can inverse it. Or if we just smack lower within the next 5 minutes. Ideally, that's what we want to see here.
Won't you get down on your knees? Come on, little darling. Come on, give your love to me. Oh yeah.
Nice rejection from constant encroachment there. And like I said, guys, 930 will likely retrace us back above 830 open, as we have taken sell side. I've got a lot of room in this trade, though. I'm giving it a lot of room to breathe, because I do anticipate this staying as the high of the day. and us trading down into this low here. This is very sus, guys. These equal lows here. That's what we're looking for, guys. There's that institutional order flow entry on the 15-minute here. That'll be very interesting if we can inverse that and then reclaim it to the downside. Like I said, consequent encroachment of this 15-minute wick here. Very possible. We'll mark that out.
I'm not just an explosion. I'm 2,500 frames per second of high-octane, fuel-injected devastation, detonated in slow cinematic poetry. Watching this much beauty on a phone is like watching a sunrise through a straw. Let's put me on something bigger. Some things belong on the big screen.
Not an easy day to trade, guys. Very low probability situation here. Very, very low probability. Just paper trading today. Seeing if I can catch this move down into this low. Four minutes until the opening bell. It looks like we're going to inverse that 15-minute gap. Failed to inverse this gap from yesterday that I was interested in. Break day. Will we be trading back into this new week opening gap? Is the question. I don't think so. We did inverse this gap here on the 1 hour, right? Yeah.
Ghosts crowd the young child's fragile eggshell mind. Blood in the streets in the town of New Haven. Blood stains the roots and the palm trees of Venice. Blood in my love in the terrible summer. Bloody red sun of fantastic LA. Blood squeeze the brain and chop off the fingers. Bloody bone in the birth of a nation.
Not really willing to risk up to this high, because I imagine if we come for the swing high,
time for me to hit on down the line. Hurting in a love song. Hurting in a love song. Hurting in a love song. Can't be wrong.
There we go, boys. 9:30. Swinging us lower.
I'm the kind of man that like to get away, like to start dreaming about tomorrow today. Never said that I loved you, even though it's so. There's a duffel bag of mine, it's time to go. Hurting in a love song. Hurting in a love song. Hurting in a love song. Can't be wrong.
Gonna go ahead and close one here. Fuck is this internal?
I'm gonna believe it at break of dawn. Wish you could come, but I don't need no woman tagging along. Don't sneak out that door, couldn't stand to see you cry.
Maybe closed a little bit too early there, but it's okay, guys.
Teardrop in your eye. Hurting in a love song.
Where's this low coming in? 25,180. I want to set this limit order here. Man, my trading view is shitting the bed.
I never had a damn thing but what I had. I had to leave it behind. You're the hardest thing I ever tried to get off my mind. Always something greener on the other side of that hill. I was born a wrangler and a raptor, and I guess I always will. Hurting in a love song. Hurting in a love song.
What is going on with trading view, man? Might have to just close the trade because my fucking trading view is not working. Trying to set my limit. Internal. Are you fucking kidding me, dude? It's okay. My stop is at break even. It's whatever. Dude. Are you fucking kidding me?
You can wait for a sale price
Or you can get the best price every day at Bob's.
and more of what you love, like bedroom sets with more storage and more charging.
And dining sets in more heights with more chair options.
Even more years on that precious mattress warranty, all for hundreds less than the competition.
When you have a better choice at Bob's, there's only one thing to say.
I'm Abraham Lincoln, and I approve this message.
Summer's almost gone. Summer's almost gone. gone. Morning found us calmly unaware. Moon burned gold into our hair. At night we swam and laugh and sing. When summer's gone, where will we be? Where will we be? Where will we be? Morning found us calmly unaware. Moon burned gold into our hair. At night we swam the laughing sea. When summer's gone, where will we be? Summer's almost gone. Summer's almost gone. We had some good times, but they're gone. The winter's coming on, summer's almost gone. When they come to take you down, when they bring that wagon round, when they come to call on you and drag your poor body down, just one thing I ask of you, it's just one thing for me. Please forget you knew my name, my darling, sugary. Shake it, sugary. Just don't tell 'em that you know me. Shake it, sugary. Just don't tell 'em that you know me. You thought you was the cool fool, never could do no wrong. You had everything sold up tight. How come you lay awake all night long? Just one thing I ask of you, it's just one thing for me. Please forget you knew my to stand out in the pouring rain. One last voice is calling you, and I guess it's time you go. Just one thing I ask of you, just one thing for me. Please forget you knew my name, my darling, sugary. Shake it, sugary. Just don't tell 'em that you know me. Shake it, sugary. Just don't tell 'em that you know me. Well, shake it up now, sugary. I'll meet you at the Jubilee. If that Jubilee don't, maybe I'll meet you on the run. Just one thing I ask of you, it's just one thing for me. Please forget you knew my name, my darling, sugary. Shake it, sugary. Just don't tell 'em that you know me. Shake it, sugary. Just don't tell 'em that you know me. Shake it, sugary. Just don't tell 'em that you know me. Shake it, sugary. Just don't tell 'em that you know me.
Granger knows that as the procurement coordinator at a manufacturing plant, you can count on auto reordering to have the PPE you need on hand. Call 1-800-GRANGER, click Granger.com, or just stop by. Granger, for the ones who get it done.
I want to tell you about Texas radio and the Big V. Comes out of the Virginia swamps, cool and slow with money and precision. And a backbeat narrow and hard to master. Some call it heavenly in its brilliance, others feeding a roof on the Western dream. I love the friends I've gathered together in this thin raft. We have constructed pyramids in honor of our escaping. This is the land where the Pharaoh died. Tell you this, no eternal reward will forgive us now for wasting the dawn. I tell you about Texas radio and the big beat. Soft driven, slow and mad like some new language.
Guys, trading view is down. I'm kind of losing my fucking mind right now.
Now listen to this, I'll tell you about Texas. I'll tell you about Texas radio. I'll tell you about the hopeless night, wandering the western dream. Tell you about the maiden with wrought iron soul.
Shopping with your
If I win the point, I get your Olympic. If I win the point, I get your Olympic gold medal. You can have that. You got a deal. Yeah,
You just said to the crowd that you're going to promise you're going to come back here next year. That's quite an early commitment.
They pay me well. I can do whatever they want. No, but you love it here. Most definitely. Have a big heart. Well, Andy, if I may say, you have big everything, I think. I'm not sure my wife would agree. Honestly, probably does. Cry like Roger, it's just a shame I can't play like him. At this part, if you can see.
Holy shit, man. Holy shit, man. That was fucking nuts. I don't even know if I can do the fucking market review, bro. I'm too fucking shaking. Just gonna call it a day, man. All right, let's do just a quick review. I know I have to do the review later anyway, but just a quick review. Today's trading. All right. Oh, I can't, man. I'm shaking. I'm calling it. All right, see you guys. Thanks for checking in.